This short video you're watching today is about constructing a house foundation. It will include excavation of the site, forming strip footings, installing the engineered steel, and of course forming and pouring of the concrete foundation wall. As you may already know, the foundation wall is a critical part of the house construction, as it will ensure that the house will stand strong for many years. As a note to point out, our rules and regulations and how we build may not be the same, as you will need to follow what is required in your location. First thing we're going to do is prepare the site by clearing away vegetation, rocks, and debris for a full basement foundation. First, we are going to examine our building plans, and as required, we'll look at our engineered drawings so that we can build accordingly. In this case, our strip footings are formed with 2x8 material. The footings have specific details in the engineered drawings, including the type of steel, its thickness, and the spacing of the steel. As this is not a monolithic pour, we are pouring the footings separately from the foundation walls. The forms contain just the footings, shaping the concrete as it sets. Inside the forms, we place a steel rebar for the reinforcement of the footings. We use an engineered specific layout to handle the load, ensuring the foundation can withstand stress over time. As you see, we have installed rebar, which is specific to this home and is designed by the structural engineer. The layout, the placement, and the type of rebar. Now that the forms are complete and the ladders are installed, we go on to putting the strapping into place.
Okay, it is ready to pour.
In this case, we are using a pump truck to pour the concrete from overhead. Here you can see the pump truck stabilized as it cantilevers over the top of the house and the concrete truck pouring concrete into it. And now that the foundation is complete and stripped, we can damp-proof the exterior of the foundation, install weeping tile and washed rock, connect the weeping tile to the interior sump pit, and then install the joisting. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.